All right, start. FD card is where you store digital photos. No, it's an SD card. Good. I was thinking, what if there's like another card I don't know about? Because I know there's SD cards, there's micro SD cards, and then there's Express, SF, CF Express cards, something like that. Anyway, an action photo that tells a story or captures a moment is a mugshot, candid, or crop. Candid. That's what I entered the game for, baby. The photo composition refers to the arrangement of the elements in a photograph. Yeah, I'd say so. A staged event, usually like a pep rally, defo American, or another school function, is a photo op, run and gun, 5 and 5. I don't know. A staged wow, I didn't think any of these would be challenging. A staged event, usually like a pep rally or other school function, is a photo op, run and gun, 5 and 5. It's not, it could be run and gun, because run and gun is like the photographer's perspective. If you run in and shot like without planning, that's a run and gun. So if the staged event has been planned and then someone messages me 10 minutes before and says, can you come and shoot this? That's a run and gun for me. I'm gonna go photo op just because 5 and 5 sounds like a Wendy's deal. Okay, woo! I think if I get one wrong, there needs to be some kind of penalty. I'll find some kind of penalty and put it at the end. A straightforward head and shoulders shot is a dominant photo, mugshot, candid. A straightforward head and shoulders shot. I would say mugshot. Which lines have the greatest impact in a photo? Which lines have the greatest impact in a photo? Diagonal, vertical, horizontal. Surely that is subjective. Surely that is subjective. I'm gonna go vertical. No, I'm not taking that. Who decided that? The depth of field refers to the distance in front and behind a subject in a photo. I mean, it refers to it, but that's not the definition of it. I'm gonna go true. Yeah, I don't agree with that. Soft focus photos refer to the edges being clearly defined. Well, obviously not. Which proves to be the more interesting in a photo, the pattern or the break in the pattern? The break. What composition rule refers to creating a border around a framing? I don't even need to read the rest of that. To walk around looking for a candid subject to shoot refers to covering enterprise. It's not enterprise and it's not framing, so what? What? Enterprise? Surely that's about photographing an enterprise. Am I wildin'? The largest, most dynamic photo on a spread is the dominant main central. Ooh, maybe that's what dominant means. That's what dominant means. The number that indicates the camera sensitivity, yeah, ISO. The opening in a photographic lens that emits light, isn't it? Oh no, it might actually be admit, like because the light's coming in instead of going out. Wow, I really think I'm all that. The opening in a photographic lens that admits light is, I am sure, the aperture. Yeah. What composition rule refers to dividing the frame into rule of thirds? Come on. If there are more than people in the photo, only list the main participants. What? What kind of question is this? If there are more than people in a photo, only list the main participants. 8? I don't understand that. The measurement of how long a camera's lens stays open. Shutter speed. That is the shutter opening and closing. That's what makes the click sound. Check all that apply. Which are tips for taking better photos? Again, subjective. Keep it simple. What if you want to take a complicated image? That's frustrating. Keep it simple. Don't disregard your light source. Pose picture, make better pictures, not necessarily. Move close, not necessarily. Capture feelings, not necessarily. What if you want to capture an image that is void of emotion? Tell a story, capture feelings. I think what they mean is take a photo that makes someone feel something. But I wouldn't say that as capture feelings, because to me, capturing a feeling is when you take a photograph of someone in an emotional state. Yeah, no. Move close? No, there's no forfeit in this video because this this test has an agenda. Certificate of achievement, got a score of 80 on the test. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video, people. Yeah, we're done. We're done. If you've come from my reaction to perfectly timed images, click on this video. Check something else out on my channel. If you haven't seen that, here it is.